Welcome back. Now you can control all of the notifications that you get on your desktop in Windows 10. And to do that, all you're going to do is to go to your right-hand side corner and you're going to see your notifications bar and you're going to click that bar. And when you get there, you're going to see one tile and it's called Focus Assist. You're going to go ahead and click that box. When you get there, what you're going to do is you're going to right-click it. You're going to click Go to Settings. Now it's here that you will determine what you're going to get in terms of notifications. Now you can, by default, leave it as it is, where all of your notifications are turned off. You can set it so that you'll only see a selected number of notifications from your priority list. So for example, if we click Priority Only, we can then click this link that says Customize our priority list. And then we can choose what our priority list is going to be. We can also choose to hide all notifications except for alarms from Windows 10. Now one thing we can do is we can set our notifications so that they will only come on during certain hours. This will give us the opportunity to work on our PC or to record or whatever it is we're doing so that we will not be disturbed by the notifications. And we can set those automatic rules so that your notifications will come on when you want them and be turned off when you don't. You can also choose to feed this information to Cortana so that she will then filter some of your notifications. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.